Hello and welcome. I'm Marcus from Alpega, and I will give you a glance at the possibilities we have for transport analytics with our TMS. Good logistics, controlling, and purchasing professionals always aim to assess situations realistically, to work efficiently, and to optimize processes, being aware of the importance of clear figures, data, and facts. The preparations for annual meetings with logistics service providers involve huge amount of work. Everything has to be researched, summarized, and evaluated. A time-consuming, high-cost process which is highly error-prone, unless you already have a working system for this. At Alpega, we offer a BI tool that helps businesses to analyze and visualize their data to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. They play a crucial role in transforming raw data into actionable information. We use a so-called dual-layer approach, a common design in BI systems. It involves separating the BI tools into two layers, the presentation layer and the data layer. Now, the presentation layer, this layer focuses on delivering intuitive and interactive visualizations, reports, and dashboards to the end user. Its primary purpose is to provide a user-friendly interface that allows business users to explore and analyze the data without requiring any technical expertise. Now, the data layer sometimes is also referred to the backend, is responsible for the data processing, storage, and management. It involves extracting, transforming, and loading data from various sources into a centralized repository, often called the data warehouse. Now, the dual layer approach also offers several advantages. For one, separation of concerns. By separating the presentation and data layers, each layer can be optimized independently. Now, secondly, you have the scalability. The two-tier architecture allows for scalability in handling increasing data volumes and user demands. Third and last, performance. Since the data layer is responsible for data processing and storage, it can be designed to provide fast query response times. This ensures that the user can interact with data and retrieve insights in a timely manner. Now, overall, the dual layer approach in a BI tool provides a scalable, efficient, and user-friendly solution for organizations to harness the power of their data and make informed decisions. The BI tool that comes with the package as a visualization tool is powered by SAP Business Objects. Needless to say, a commonly used business intelligence tool today, with components that provide performance management, planning, reporting, query, and analyzing information to management. Just as our TMS, we want the system to reach out to us with the data and tell us when actions need to be taken. First, the shipper has to set up the KPIs which are important to him, then these can be scheduled to be sent in the preferred format to his email inbox. We're soon enough going to have a peek at the report in one of our off-the-shelf KPIs. To give you a possible outlook on what is possible, we can of course set up the system to have the carriers to put in reason codes for us to really evaluate the performance accurately. Reason codes are used to provide additional information and help in understanding the cause and nature of the exception, enabling better analysis, troubleshooting, and resolution. Meaning now you know that 30% of the trucks had mechanical breakdowns or were unable to load because of capacity issues, and can quicker get rid of the bad apples out there. Together with our customers, we've also created the standard KPIs, 102 of them, making out the 42 sub-reports and the 24 complete reports we have off the shelf. Let's have a further look at what we're talking about. Now, the KPIs serve as quantifiable metrics that provide insights to performance, progress, and quality in our transport operations. Now, here are a few key points about the KPIs we deliver out of the box. We got the network, where we can analyze the logistical network structure from where to where with which volume and clients. We got the execution part. Here we can measure the performance of suppliers, orders, loads, and spot requests done. And we got the cost and claims. For the finance department and purchase, it's important to keep track of the cost, which can be broken down per supplier, carrier, client, or just look at the claims. On the operation-based KPIs, Here we come to the parts of the Reason Code based events. How many extraordinary claims we had with authorization levels, share of different reason codes, deep diving into the execution issues. Something that our customers frequently ask is if we can deliver GHG or greenhouse gas values. The short answer would be yes, but let's dig deeper into it. So greenhouse gases are important because they play a significant role in influencing Earth's climate system. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, creating what is commonly known as the greenhouse effect. While greenhouse effect is natural and necessary for sustaining life, human activities have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases, leading to potential climate change and the associated impacts. Now, by giving managers the visibility over their greenhouse gas output, we also give managers the power to change the world for upcoming generations. The managers can make greenhouse gas values as a part of their upcoming tenders, promote low emissions carrier fleets with more volume or loading flexibility as an example, in a way pushing carriers to upgrade their fleet for more sustainability. What is so special about our greenhouse gas monitoring function? Well, it is that we go beyond the standards of calculating from point A to point B. We look at the well to tank, which captures the indirect emissions from the fuel consumption of all energy sources, but also the tank to wheel, which captures the direct emissions generated during the vehicle operation. We do this by collaborating with Ecotransit as a partner. And that way, getting an accurate greenhouse report has never been easier. In this example from our BI tool, we have collected all the data from the TMS. Through this report, we already see the volumes and the development during the period we've selected. You could also set it up so that you have this report as a favorite. Then you have this report always ready to go when you enter the software. Or automate the report in our transport analytics by scheduling this to be sent as an email, for example, every Monday, with the data from last week to analyze the loads of the last week. Now, this is our preferred approach, as we want the TMS and all its modules, including the BI tool, to actually work for us, so we can focus on identifying, handling, and resolving the exceptions, managing the performance, and just improving conditions that occur during the execution. Let's have a peek at the tool. This is the BI tool that comes with the package, Business Objects. I want to give you a quick tour around it. So first up, let's look at where I can find the latest reports. See here, recently viewed ones, the favorites, my favorites, and all KPIs, show all. Okay, I've already prepared something, so let's go into one of my absolutely favorite reports. So this is the carrier performance. So I can at any point do drill downs to anything that I want to see, for example, transport type, business case, to a certain carrier, have a deeper look at it, or all the information for a customer. I can also quickly download one of these reports, export it, and get it all in Excel, PDF, or HTML. So I can quickly get ready for the next upcoming meeting, but I would like to automate this. So by automating this, I'm going to go back to the first screen. I'm going to go one of my favorites and go to this carrier performance. So schedule this. So reoccurrence, this is how often I want to get it. Prompt, this is the time period that the report should reflect when I get the report. Format, how do I want to receive it? An Excel, PDF, HTML, and the destination. So to which email address do I want to send this? Right, and then it's just to click schedule, easy as pie. Right, that was a quick tour to our transport analytics. Do you want to know more? Contact us at Alpega for an interactive session.